Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add shipping costs of weights. Let's get started. So as you can see right here, I'm in the shipping delivery. You can get to this page by clicking on the settings, and then under the settings, you should be able to see the shipping and fulfillment. So just click on that and you should be able to see the page that I have see in this thing right here. Now in here, I have here some shipping regions. As you can see, I have here a region wherein I have a flat rate, while these two rates here are free shipping. Now, if you want to add a price to your shipping costs, you can actually just click on edit right here. And then from the edit right there, you should be able to see this shipping option. So as you can see, it is free shipping right now. Now, if is actually free shipping, it actually costs 0. So we want to add a cost to that. So I click on this free shipping, then you can offer flat rate, rate by weight, rate by price, or rate by product. So for example, we can actually do this by weight. So I can click on this one. And then in here, you can put in a standard option name. So for example, we can put in here weight shipping or something similar to that. Now, you can actually put in here estimated delivery time. Like for example, let's put in here 1 to 3 days. Now, on the weight range, we can put in here a specific weight range. The first default is 0 to around 1 kilogram. Now, you can actually change this, for example, 2 kilograms, and then the rate can be around 500, for example. So you can change the rate right here if you want. So in here, you can put also the weight range for the other thing, then and up. Then we can put in here another option, which is 120, for example. You can actually put in here some specific things as well. So from in there, you can actually just head over and save this progress right here. And then as you can see, it has been saved. And when we head over and see the delivery options, it's no longer free shipping, but we have shipping rate by weight. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.